Today, I'm Yo, what's good? This is 10 by 10 Gaming, and welcome to another episode of Meta versus Non-Meta. Today, I'm bringing you a matchup against a 6'3", 170-pound point guard. And let's just go ahead and start off with this player card. So you can see my matchup on a meta build as far as the weight and the strength is a.
Hey, y'all go tap into my boy right now. Link in the description below. What's going on, people? OG back on the screen. If y'all need promo, hit me up on Instagram, OGalmighty5. Y'all can see my socials on the screen. Today we are breaking down the bunny badge. Make sure you drop that like. Let's get this past 100 likes fast. Hashtag IRL in the community. It's the IRL playstyle. That's how we play in 2K. IRL playstyle. We gonna turn up this year and take over the community. You know, let me not say take over. We just gonna make our mark within the community. So we are talking about bunny today. Hop steps, layups, and dunks received. And let's come into this 2K. Now, how we know of this game, right? IRL aspects haven't really been a key factor into the game. You'll just see the game being a 3-point hunt game where players just left riding, you know, boom, just doing this, and it's 3-point hunting, right? But now we have more aspects to the game, like when you do a move, you hop. These moves right here, I know some players don't know how to do simple hop steps, but you're just tapping on the X or square at the same time. It's a rhythm, so as you're moving, boom. Hey, you see how I can do those layups right there, those fillets, hop steps, and dunks. Bunny receives a boost. So when you're doing any plays, like you're dribbling here, oh, you gotta come back right here real quick. Oh no, we couldn't hop step. We couldn't get the hop step, but we just shoot the baby jumper. Okay, my controller was dying. I'm wondering, like, why does it keep turning off and switching? Okay, so let's say we do a move. Oh, you see that off the gather? Bang, right there. Hey, little contact. Now y'all understand that's how this bunny badge is going to play out this year, right? When you're doing your hop steps, you want your hop steps to be a little bit better than another player's, or you want to be effective at the rim, you're going to have that badge. Now, from the looks of it, how they had it double stacked and double layered, like you've seen the bigger builds have that big drive and the smaller builds get speed booster. I feel like they're going to do the same thing when it comes to the badges, okay? They're going to have certain players that get certain badges at certain heights. You got to pick and choose what you want. But you see right here, even the hop steps, you can't really do high hop steps. But you know that's the aspect of the bunny badge. That's the goal that they're trying to do by implementing this badge in the game. So all hop steps like this, hey, I'm mad you can't do any other types of hop steps before. But you know they have different hop step packages depending on which layup package you're using, right? Signature styles, but the hop step is gonna be crazy. But look, I come here, hop step right there, little floater game. That's gonna be crazy. You can even do little hop step floaters too. Look, we go right here. We show y'all. Hey, hop step. Oh, that's a little close to the rim. We gonna show y'all hop step floater right here. Oop, half spin. Oh, hop step floater. No, see, like you can't even in this game. Really, you can't even really do it like that. It's like they took it out the game. Yeah. When I'm looking at it now. Let me see. Yeah, hold up. You can't. They took that out the game. Let me try with the shot stick real quick. Okay, hop step. Oh yeah, they took it out the game really. So look, but if I do right here a floater right here from the free throw line, they gonna let me do it. But we used to have the hop step floater. I don't know if they thought it was too OP or not, but we going right back to those times. Like all this gonna be OP. And I already used the shot stick now. Like I'm already using the shot stick for the combos too. When you do the little step backs like this. The Fox 6. Hey. We really gonna be a bucket with all that IRL. All that IRL. We really gonna be a bucket. Look, do the hop step. I've been already using the shot stick. So the floaters is gonna come like nothing to me. But you guys understand you're going to be able to do that this year. You see, remember how in 22 we was able to hop step and then floater? You can't even do it in this game. You just have to do this. You can't even do it in this game. I'm trying it right now. You cannot even do it. You can't even hop step and then change into the floater. That used to be my little thing. Like, oh, you could do moves like, look, if I came here like, bam, bam, bam. Oh, got him. Hey, you see, you could do little floaters like that. Like, no, nobody want to take nobody just want to do that alone. We want to hop step too. Like, hey, we want to hop step too. Like, you can Euro floater. That's the only thing, you can Euro floater. But now bunnies is going to let you get more of a leap. The hop steps, we know that since the bunny badge is in the game, the hop steps, the leaps are going to be way more better, way more efficient to what we want to see. Now, you see what it says, right? We read this description one more time. Hop steps, layups, and dunks receive an increased shot chance with bunny. So when you're doing hop steps alone by just reading that, when I'm reading that, when you're doing these hop steps, right? When you're doing the hop steps and hop step dunking, that's a like new category now. You guys understand? A whole new total category, meaning like now players that's just trying to do that off the strength of just doing that and they don't have the attributes, they're gonna feel a big difference from it. Players used to just do that hop step dunk at times and do certain things just to get away with certain stuff, like having the stats. But now when you're using bunnies and stuff, and you could just tell, like, just having that in the game, vertical is going to matter. That badge deals with vertical. Hey, Fox, that badge deals with vertical. They got the new blowout dribbling, man. This game about to be nice. I'm really about to be cooking, boys. Like, oh, no, that's the Steezo movement. We ain't going to do that. That's the Steezo movement. Hold on. We got to keep it down real. The D Fox from the 3. It's going to be nasty. I already know, like, just the movement, just the stuff I'm going back in my shot creator bag for sure. Like, the shot creator bag is coming back. But I want to really expand my bag to have so much moves, like, hey, like hit him with a lot of that too right there. I want to expand my bag to have so much moves, like use so many different sigs. It's like nobody's sigs is like hard to me. Hey, hit shots like that, boom. Not playing. We going crazy this year. So bunny actually will probably be one of my top badges that I will use because I like just the ability to hop step through traffic and layup, or you could pass out of it, whichever or. But I just like that ability when you're doing the hop steps. Like I come through the paint, I hit a move, I come through the paint, do a quick hop step, oh, and get a bucket. Yeah. And we can probably tell too, the range from that badge is going to work in all different fields depending on your vertical. So depending on your vertical, we know it's going to be tied into vertical with the bunny badge, getting it on higher levels, jumping higher, jumping a little bit higher over players. Man, they got the whistle badge. They got so much. That's really just the IQ badge right there. When you're using that badge, that's just going to be strictly IQ. I can see it already. Strictly IQ using the whistle badge. But a lot of mid-range game is going to be fire. Like, I'm going back to my mid-range game. You going to see me stop pulling the little, oh, right here, the little step backs. The middies, you gonna see all that coming back. Shot creator game. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on this badge, bunny, to show you guys how it's going to be functioning in the NBA 2K24, right? All on hop step dunks. So any hop step dunks you're doing, De'Aaron Fox can probably do a hop step dunk. Let me see. I think he can do it. That's the only thing you can do in this game is a hop step dunk. No. It sounds like it's raining. I just had to look real quick, but a hop step dunk. Here it goes. Boom. So with bunny on, those, it helps all that right there. Hop step dunks, and then the hop step floaters. Like, oh, you can't do the hop step actual floater in this game, but you can do hop steps. That's what it helps as well. So either or. Hey, we good to go. Hey, the pump fake, you get them right there. Boom, boom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I'm going to do a breakdown of all these badges right now, clear for y'all detail. Let's get into it. Hit the like, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.